regardless, it operates independently from your clothing, which is important because if you need to use the restroom in public, it makes it a lot easier. You never have to take your pistol off of you. All right, so I just quickly want to share with you how I'm putting on the Concealment Labs Flex Liner in order to concealed carry with my favorite clothes. And it's very straightforward in design. You essentially just wrap it around your waist and loop it through, and that's pretty much it. It's already on my body, and I have the ability to concealed carry just like that. And that paired with the material of your clothing essentially becomes your belt. So you have the thinnest profile that you could possibly get on the market. So you're able to actually fit the material of your clothing and the liner confidently between the space of your holster clips, which is really important because sometimes these sweatpants could get pretty thick. So if you're carrying with sweatpants, jeans, shorts, pajamas, you're able to carry consistently regardless of the material that you choose, just because of how thin this is. You could also see that it is neatly wrapped around my body, and that is attributed to the ability to cant the angles. So the pistol really feels like it's just sitting around my waist real nicely. And then you could carry a spare mag. Here I have a Glock mag right here for the staccato. And just like that, concealed carrying, which is great. And it conceals really well, and probably the most comfortable way to conceal, just because you have that dual integrated flex that is calibrated, so it is not too stretchy, which is really important because in a lot of carry products they end up becoming too stretchy with the full length webbing, elastic webbing. We've decided to go with a calibrated flex right here, so you have the ability to fully support your firearm. If you want to loosen or tighten it, you can. It uses the same locking mechanics as a soft T wide tourniquet, and it's that easy, guys. You can wear it with jeans, like I said, even with belt loops. As long as your pants fit properly, you're fine. You don't have to clip over the material of your clothes either. You could just undo it and do some deep conceal too. But regardless, it operates independently from your clothing, which is important because if you need to use the restroom in public, it makes it a lot easier. You never have to take your pistol off of you, which is a huge thing that I believe in, is never having to take the pistol off. If I'm going to sit down in my car for a long period of time, I could just take out the slack and sit down, and if I need to tighten it, I just tighten it just like that. All right, that's the Concealment Labs liner. Also, a lot of people ask, why don't you add a quick detach for your concealment liner? Well, let me show you how easy it is to take off the liner. So that's probably the quickest way to detach your liner without having a traditional quick detach. So the buckle design is really important. It allows you to have a versatile carry and easily tension your carry setup on the fly. So that's what it looks like. If you have any questions regarding it, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll catch you all later.